Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix network request failed error on Sweatcoin app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So most likely if you are receiving this error, the first thing you need to do is to check and ensure that you are connected to stable internet connection. However, if that is not the issue, then ensure that you are not connected to a VPN, as this might be the reason. But should this fail, then you want to troubleshoot the app. To troubleshoot your Sweatcoin app, you need to go to settings on your phone, and from settings, look for apps. From apps, go to manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone and search for your app. Then force stop the app and then clear all data and choose clear cache as well as clear all data. Then restart your smartphone. Now if you go to your Sweatcoin app, everything now should be working. So let me know which of this was able to fix your issue. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.